Welcome to my solar addiction. Today's video.
Full build video of Monster Solar Pergola. Part 6. DC Isolator install and grounding.
I need to rig this little box and get rid of this stuff on the inside. I will be putting these into the sides for the wires for my 2 strings. Solar panels, but this has got to be coming into the bottom to connect to the pipe coming from the house. So I need to put a hole in the bottom right there, and I'm hoping this is the right size that's gonna work. Looks like it probably is. So let's see. Hopefully I'm gonna F it up. So I'm going to lock this up so it'll be a little less squirrely. That looks good enough to me. There we go. You have hole. Oh, let's see if it'll fit. Probably going to need to sand that as it's down. But we got us a hole. First of all, it ain't big enough. I got this little platform down here that I don't even need. Let me see if that'll come out. So if I take this little platform out, it should be no problem. I don't need this anyway. There we go. Ain't quite. Need to sand it down a little. All right, so I got to drill that hole for the bottom where it comes from the conduit outside, and I've got to get my PV wires in through the side. So I need to put holes in the side for these little guys.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
And there's my little box. You guys saw me put the holes in it. Didn't come with the holes in it. And then it goes to these watertight connectors that I believe came with some EG4 stuff that I have. And that box is watertight, IP65 rated. Wasn't very expensive. Found it on Amazon. I'll be putting that in the description below. And that connects to, from those wires, to our DC isolator, or some people would call it DC disconnect, PV disconnect. And I added these 15 amp fuses on there. I also tightened up my wiring so it wouldn't be flopping around in the wind. As we can see, it's secured there and on this side as well. And then you can also see that that green wire there, that's my grounded wires. And you can see the grounding lugs. I'll tighten in on that. That one's grounded over there. And that wire comes in. So I installed this grounding rod, and that goes up this pole, secured along the wires to each one of the panels. And we can see the grounding lugs on the panels. Okay, but it's up and running. Everything's working fine. It's Alice approved. I just got to stop getting her to digging right here. I guess she figures Daddy was digging right here, she can dig too. But finally got her done. So to sum up the cost for the actual panels install was $3,531.09, including the solar panels. The cost for just the wood and the brackets and the concrete and all that stuff was $1,360.96. As we saw, cost for the actual panels install was $3,531.09. So that brings the total cost for the solar pergola install to $4,892.05, including the panels. It was a lot of work. Finally got her done. All of the parts are in the description below, including links. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time.
Finally finished. Good job, Dave.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.